Upbeat music playing. Welcome back by Smart Family. Today, we're diving into the sky with two incredible drones, the Holy Stone HS720E and the Ford DRC V4 Mini. Let's see which one will make you the next drone flying legend, and which one will just make you a birdwatcher with a fancy toy. Grab your popcorn, because this showdown is about to get real. All right, let's kick things off with the ever-important price category. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720E, priced at a whopping $399. On the right, the Ford DRC V4 Mini Foldable comes in at a humble $89. If you're ballin' on a budget, the Ford DRC might just be your new BFF. But hey, if you've got deep pockets and want to flex on your neighbors, Holy Stone's got you covered. One drone costs as much as a nice dinner date, and the other, well, let's just say you could buy a lot of nachos with the difference. Next up, let's talk camera quality. The Holy Stone HS720E boasts a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a snazzy Sony sensor. Translation: you're going to get crystal clear, Hollywood-level shots. Meanwhile, the Ford DRC V4 Mini Foldable offers a 1080p FPV camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. So if you're just trying to capture your dog's backyard escapades, Ford DRC is your guy. But if you're aiming for the next viral drone footage on YouTube, Holy Stone is the way to go. One's a Spielberg, the other's your uncle with a camcorder. What's the point of a drone if it's always grounded? Let's talk flight time. The Holy Stone HS720E gives you a total of 46 minutes of airtime with its two intelligent batteries. That's almost an hour of pretending you're in Top Gun. On the flip side, the Ford DRC V4 Mini Foldable offers 26 minutes with its two modular batteries. Enough time to impress the kids at the park, but don't expect to shoot a full-length feature film. It's like comparing a marathon runner to someone who's just doing a quick jog around the block. Now, for all you newbies out there, let's check out the user-friendly features. Holy Stone's got you covered with Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes. It's like having your own personal drone butler. Meanwhile, the Ford DRC V4 Mini Foldable is no slouch either, offering 3D flip, headless mode, trajectory flight, gravity control, and even VR. It's like they threw in the entire kitchen sink. If you're a beginner, Ford DRC is like that cool, easygoing friend who always has your back. Holy Stone, on the other hand, is like your high-maintenance friend who insists on only eating at 5-star restaurants, but makes it worth your while. Finally, let's talk portability and durability. The Holy Stone HS720E comes with a carrying bag, which is super handy, but it's not exactly pocket-sized. It's more like carrying a small laptop. The Ford DRC V4 Mini Foldable, however, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's foldable, super drop-resistant, and even has full guards to protect the kiddos. Perfect for indoor games or outdoor travel. One's a tank, and the other's a sleek sports car. Choose wisely. Reviewers praise the Holy Stone HS720E for its high-quality features, stability, and excellent customer service. It's highly recommended by longtime drone enthusiasts for its impressive performance, especially given its price point compared to more expensive models. On the flip side, the Ford DRC V4 Mini Foldable is a hit among beginners and kids for its ease of use, decent camera quality, and fun features, despite some concerns about its durability and battery life. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS720E versus the Ford DRC-V4 Mini Foldable. Two drones, two very different stories. If you're looking to splurge and get all the high-end features, Holystone is your drone. But if you're looking for a fun, budget-friendly option that's perfect for beginners and kids, the Ford DRC is your best bet. Whichever you choose, just remember to fly smart, and maybe avoid any low-flying birds. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high. Buy Smart, family.